Hey, what up, guys? So here is the AFE Takeda Pro 5R intake installed in the 2015 Focus ST. So you guys are close up there. What can I say? I really like it. I mean, the intake sounds and turbo sounds are a lot more pronounced now. I think this is the best looking intake for this car, especially with the cover on, the way that it's like flow formed and kind of contours to the actual lines of the inside of the engine bay there, as you can see. I really like that. The filter is just that basic oil filter that you guys saw earlier. It's under there. This is the cover. That comes off with 2 screws. Let's see. Other than that, the other good part of this intake is that I can actually reach that spark plug without having to take the intake off, I believe. So with my other intake and the stock intake, before, I used to have to actually remove this tube in order to get to this bolt here. I don't know if you can see that, to this bolt, so that I could take the coil pack out and then the spark plug out. But with this intake, the way that it's designed, it's far enough out of the way I don't have to do that. And this right here has a little isolation mount, has a little flex mount right here. So I can actually just push this intake out of the way and have access to the entire coil pack and the spark plug without having to remove all this. So that greatly reduces the time that it takes to do a spark plug change or check my spark plugs, check the spark plug gap, whatever. So every oil change, I'll just be able to do that without anything getting in the way. And if I need more movement, all I got to do is just take this off, and this thing will move even more. So that's great. Plus you want the intake to kind of flex just a little bit. I only have one solid motor mount in here. That's the rear motor mount. So you want a little bit of give. It's got a coupler right here, 2 worm clamps, and another clamp right there. Intake air temperature sensor, and that's about it. It goes nicely over to the turbo. Let me put this back. See, let's see if we've got some light over there. Flows nicely right into the turbo. I don't know how well you all can see that, but probably just barely. But yeah, it goes back to the turbo just fine. It's got a coupler back there. So other than that, guys, pretty much it. It was a straightforward installation. No surprises. Much easier to install than my Steeda intake, and probably just as simple to install as the factory stuff. So, alright guys, see you later. Thanks for watching.